Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time, and we're gonna be drawing a little cute angel. First, let's draw the hair. It's a twirl, and then finish the bangs. Draw a picture for the face and two circles for the eyes. Make the eyes sparkle by drawing two little circles inside the eye. A little nose and a mouth. And that's up the teeth. Now let's draw the ears. Let's draw the gown. Next, draw two arms and the sleeves. One arm is up and it's holding a star. Let's finish the curly hair. Of course, the angel has a pair of wings. And 2 feet. Let's complete the gown and we are ready to color. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And it's done. Thanks for watching. See you next time.